Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time around here, hello, you're most welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So as you can see from the title, we got ourselves a new car. Now this car is not just a car. This car is manual. I have never driven a manual car since 2012 when I was in driving school. If you do not know, when you're learning how to drive, they give you manual cars to train with. That's what you use to learn how to drive a car. Now since then, which was in January 2012, I cannot forget. January 2012? No, January 2013 was 2013. Yeah, because I was pregnant with my first child. That was the last time I ever drove a manual car. Now this one is manual this time round. The other one that we had was very automatic, very easy to drive. Now I am going to teach myself how to drive a manual car for the first time in, wow, it's been a long time. 9 years. 9 years later, we have a manual car. I do not know how to operate a manual car since then, but I do know how to drive, obviously. And inside this car, it's very hot. So, but in the house, it's very cold. In fact, I'm catching a cold. I am catching a cold, and I'm inside the estate. So, it's going to be tough. I've been watching videos about how to drive a manual car. Let me just show you the inside of this car, cause hey. So this is how it looks on the front. It does have a key, which is here. This is the key, but it's this is what you use to start the car. You don't use the key. So yeah, and then it has the 3 pedals over there. That's the gas, that's the brakes, and that's the clutch. This one right here is a clutch. And then you come over here. This is the gearbox or whatever. This is the handbrake, and then this is a screen. Can show you if you're moving backwards or front, or if you have a video playing, blah blah blah. And then that shows you the, I guess not the mileage, that's the revolutions per minute. How fast you're moving is here, and this is just whatever. I'm not good at explaining these things. Anyway, this is the passenger seat, and then we have the back there, and now I'm in the driver's seat. So I'm gonna try to start this car. So from what I saw, you have to put the clutch on the inside and then press the brakes, and then 2 days ago I couldn't do that. I had to watch videos about doing this. Anyway, this key is just going, I'm just gonna place it right there, and let's see if we can actually move. So as you can see, it's in neutral. This is neutral mode, and I've gotta put first things first. As I said, I'm not a pro. We are just teaching ourselves how to drive a manual car. So like that, and then I'm going to, since the clutch is still on the inside, I'm gonna put the gear to 1. 1 is on the left upper side, and then I'm gonna release the brakes, and I'm gonna, okay, it's already as you can see, I'm pressing the gas, and then I'm gonna slowly release the clutch. Oh my gosh, so we just stopped again. I am going to put the handbrake back up and then make sure that this is in free, and then press the clutch and the brakes and then start the engine again. We are going to do this again, so slowly do that. Put to 1, and then I'm gonna release slowly. Hopefully itaenda. Oh yeah, oh, it's moving, it's moving. Oh, we're moving. And then I'm gonna accelerate kidogo kidogo to gas and then release the, okay. So what I'm gonna do is just go outside the gate, because driving inside the estate and there are kids is a problem. Oh, we are moving. Oops. Mambo, na kuna mtu nyuma yangu. Najaribu kuendesha. Ni manual. Najifunza.
Oh, nimeshangaa.
Najifunza. Weka number plate ndio niweze kutoka.
Nishaandika.
Ushaandika?
Nishaandika.
Okay. So let me tell you, I have gone for I think 3 or so kilometers, and I've stopped, or the car stopped like 4 times. Embarrassment. I'm so embarrassed right now. But I have to teach myself how to drive this car, because yeah, just because I'm just gonna have to learn to drive this car. So I guess every day, I'll be trying it every once for the rest of the week. So hopefully I can master it. But I am proud of myself, but embarrassed at the same time, because I'm sweating. I don't know if you can see. I am sweating, and the number of times people have stopped to ask me what's wrong. Like, are you okay? But yay, at least I've conquered the fear of driving a manual car. It is hard. No one should tell you it's not hard though, because it's hard. It's very hard, guy. I don't know, but I'm going to keep trying. So I've already packed the car. So as I said, I'm gonna learn. I'm going to try and teach myself, because my husband is away right now and there's no one to teach me, and I don't want to go pay money to, I already know how to drive like that. I don't want to go pay money to be shown how to drive, if that makes sense. So I've been watching a lot of manual videos, and I can tell you, oh my gosh, it's not easy. So yeah, cheers to the next video. Bye bye.